Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip. Today we are going to be talking about Crypto.com, and we are going to be comparing it to some of the other exchanges out there, trying to figure out, what is the value of this team, of this project, of this crypto exchange versus some of the competitors out there. It's something you really need to keep in mind. If you are an investor in the Cronos token, not only do you have to understand all the different aspects and features that the Cronos token can be used for, the different partnerships that the team has that has been building out, all the things that go with this, but you also got to understand what the competition is doing. So we'll talk a little bit about that in this video, why I'm so excited about Crypto.com in particular, leading into this next bull run. If you like the content, smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel. 5 videos every single day for you, and at 10,000 subscribers, we are giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin to one lucky subscriber. So don't miss out on that. Guys, the overall market cap right now is doing pretty well. It's down slightly today, but we are currently at a $1.25 trillion market cap. Bitcoin dominance is down. Some altcoins are pumping. Ethereum was a big mover here this week. Binance is up about 9%. But if you do look at Crocoin, currently only up 2.7%. We were above 7 cents. To about 7.2 cents, currently right below 7 cents at about 6.9 cents. The same range that we just feel like we've been trading in for months and months on end. Absolutely frustrating if you're holding this token, but a couple things to think about. When you do look at CoinGlass and you look at the data of all the largest exchanges out there, and you start to see, how are they transparent, right? Are they being transparent? You saw FTX collapse. There was no transparency with any of that. Well, how transparent is your exchange? Well, here are the top 4 exchanges and the most transparent exchanges showing their clean assets. Well, Crypto.com has about $4 billion worth of clean assets next to Binance's $5.59 billion, which I'll note right out of the gates. Look at the market cap for Binance versus Crow. Binance is at a $53 billion market cap versus Crypto.com's 1.7, call it a $2 billion market cap. 2 goes into 50, about 20 times, right? So 25 times. And then you go ahead and you look at this, and it's about $60 billion worth of clean assets versus the $4 billion worth of clean assets. This is actually a little bit higher compared to the overall market cap. So that right there would tell me, okay, they've got more assets. Maybe Crow is a little undervalued if you're just assessing how many clean assets they have, because the ratio for the Binance to Crow clean assets versus the ratio for Binance market cap to Crow market cap, they are not showing the same. And I do think there's an argument to be made that Crypto.com's market cap should be slightly up, about 2 or 3x from where it is, just to kind of be right in line with where it's at in terms of its clean assets. So just know, guys, top 4 exchanges, Crypto.com's in there in terms of amount of clean assets right now with about 119 million in spot volume, which is much lower compared to Binance's $7.21 billion worth of spot volume, which is actually showing that Crypto.com is much, much lower. So less volume for Crypto.com right now. In a bear market, maybe that changes in a bull market. So these are things to consider, guys, as you're assessing some of this data. Overall, Crypto.com's right behind Bitfinex and a little bit behind OKX as well, which is currently at about $868 million in spot volume. So these are some of the metrics you can use to compare. But here's another thing to think about. Binance is the only other DeFi player here. You look at Binance Smart Chain, which is ranked number 3 in total value locked up, with about $5 billion locked up, versus Cronos is, call it 400 million locked up. A lot smaller. Cronos is, remember, it launched in November 2021, so it's a lot newer than Binance. And then its next bull market, I expect it to catch up. But I'll tell you this, you do not see, looking at some of the other large exchanges, Bitfinex or OKX even in this category. You don't see them even in the top 19. So this is another advantage that Cronos has versus Bitfinex, OKX, a couple other exchanges out there similar to Binance, which is why I think it's such a good example to compare Crypto.com to Binance. And you look at some of the price gains that Binance has had in the past, absolutely massive, incredible. A top 10 DeFi project for Cronos is a very good thing to have going into a bull market. Also, know that they are launching a metaverse, which is coming in this quarter, Q2 of 2023. That is coming adding more utility, more excitement to this chain. And if you guys need more, just go to crypto.com and look at what they are about. I really like looking through the website from time to time just to see how they're updating it, what they're doing. But if you haven't done it already, look at their vision. Look at what they're doing. They're accelerating the world's transition to cryptocurrency, powered by cryptocurrency, the future of the internet. Web3 will be more fair and equitable, owned by the builders, creators, and users, you. This is what their thing is. They want you to control your identity and your money and your data, trying to reach the next billion users. You see all the partnerships flashing through here. 80 million users compared to Binance's 150 million users. Very, very strong there. You can see the team and then their values, which are very cool. The values are great. We don't seek the limelight, but rather focus on doing what's best for the community and the company and the users. Take ownership, be decisive. These are all great things, guys. I'm very excited for the future of this project. And I really do think that they are going to set themselves apart in this next bull market, possibly even becoming the #2 exchange next to Binance. I wouldn't be surprised at all, guys. I really wouldn't be surprised at all. Very bullish on this, which is why we are giving away a loaded lion to one lucky subscriber when we hit 25,000 subscribers on the channel, guys. I'm so bullish on this project. We're so excited to give this thing away. Currently valued at about $1,500. Follow us at _crypto report for the details to this giveaway. And if you are a member on our YouTube channel, you get an additional 10 entries for every single month you're a member on the channel. Just join us here or in the link in the description down below. That's all I got in this one, guys. I am Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash up a like, subscribe to the channel, and as always, you gotta remember, folks, to DCA HODL, and we will see you in the next one. I got 2 videos for you here if you want to check them out. We'll see you next time, everybody. Peace.